Alright, as we have seen in the last lecture, all the sites that you create will be listed over here under My Sites. The next obvious step after using one of the templates, giving it a name and URL, is to edit the template and put in your own data and images to make your own website. To do that, click on the Edit button. Using the Edit button, you will open the Power Page Design Studio. The Power Page Design Studio is an intuitive interface that enables low-code makers to build and configure rich business web apps. When you launch the Design Studio for the first time, you will be presented with a tour. Let's have a look. First, it gives you a warm welcome, welcome to the Design Studio, and here is where you can view and edit your pages. So, it shows you how to view and edit your pages. The next is if you want to add sections, then you can do it in this way. Choosing your perfect style for your website, this is the place to go. Power your site with data. Well, it is easy to create and customize forms to use on your site, and the data you collect is stored securely on the Microsoft Dataverse. And the fifth one is that you can easily preview your site on your PC or mobile device using the preview button on the top right. Let's click on preview. And this will open the same two options that we see before, the desktop and the mobile site. Let's just click outside and let's go back to pages. The Power Pages Design Studio has four marquee experiences are called as workspaces that focuses on specific user interactions. The first is the pages. This workspace enables you to design and build web pages with in-context editing and add content with no-code and low-code widgets such as text, image, video, Power BI reports, lists, forms, etc. The styling workspace lets you apply global site styles. You can apply corporate branding updates and review the changes in the preview on the right side of the app window. Styling offers 13 preset themes. For each theme, you can customize the color palette, background color, font styles, button styles, and section margins. The third is the data workspace. It lets you easily model, visualize, and manage business data for the site with tables, forms, and lists. You can create and edit Dataverse tables for the site and create new or edit existing model-driven forms and views. Changes made in the data workspace are stored in the common data store. The fourth is the setup workspace. It enables site administrators to configure site settings such as identity providers, security and permissions, go live configurations, and PWA settings, that is, progressive web app settings. Well, just to reiterate, when you are done building, you can preview your site by using the preview option. You can preview on the desktop or mobile. Selecting desktop opens the site in a new web browser tab, and scanning the QR code with your mobile device opens the site on the mobile web browser. Also, if you see this ellipsis button, it gives you for advanced configurations that are not available in the Design Studio, the Portal Management app, and the Flows app to add an automated workflow. If you make any changes in the portal management app, in order to reflect them into the site, in the design studio, you have to select sync in the upper right corner of the screen. You also have the option to go back to your home screen and choose any other site to continue editing. Also have the app launcher that allows you to launch other apps of Microsoft Office Suite like Docs, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Also, you have an option to minimize and maximize, and also the option to use the code editor directly, an option to preview using different sizes of screen like tablet, mobile, desktop, etc. Not just preview, but even edit. And this screen that you see is the live page of your website. The changes that you make are immediately reflected in the screen so you can see what you are doing, and primary objective is what you see is what you do. So what you finally will see on your website is what you will be doing on this screen by using the different options from the four workspaces. In the next lecture, we will have a look at all the different workspaces one by one, and also the various options that you can use to make sure that you have an amazing website. All right. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.